If you have a low-quality, blurry, or pixelated photo and you're wondering how to make it look sharp and high-resolution in Photoshop, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to enhance low-quality pictures using generative fill with the new partner AI models inside Photoshop 2026. This method works especially well for faces, portraits, objects, and even detailed backgrounds. By the end of this video, you'll be able to turn soft, low-detail images into sharper, cleaner, high-quality visuals in just a few clicks. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips and AI editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Photoshop and load your low-quality image. Go to File, then Open, and select the image you want to enhance. Once your image is open, press Ctrl-A on your keyboard to select the entire image. This ensures Photoshop recognizes the full canvas and prepares it for targeted enhancements. Now, instead of enhancing everything at once, we're going to focus only on the blurry or pixelated areas. Choose a selection tool like the lasso tool or marquee tool and carefully draw a selection around the area that looks soft, blurry, or low resolution. This could be a face, hair, clothing texture, product detail, or even part of the background. Be precise, but don't worry about being perfect. Photoshop's AI will intelligently blend the results. Once the area is selected, look at the contextual taskbar and click on Generative Fill. This is where the magic happens. Before generating, you'll see the option to choose a model. In Photoshop 2026, you can select from partner AI models. If you're enhancing a face or portrait, choose Nano Banana. This model is optimized for facial features, skin detail, and realistic portrait sharpening. If you're working on objects, landscapes, or general photos, choose Flux Partner, which performs better for textures, backgrounds, and overall image clarity. After selecting the appropriate model, go to the prompt box and type Enhance Image Quality, High Detail, Sharp Focus, High Resolution. This prompt clearly tells the AI what you want: improved clarity, sharper textures, and better definition. Once you've entered the prompt, click Generate. Photoshop will now recreate the selected area using the chosen partner model. In just a few seconds, you'll see multiple variations appear in the Properties panel. Each variation will show a slightly different interpretation with improved sharpness and detail. Click through the variations and choose the one that looks the most natural and realistic. Pay attention to edges, skin texture, lighting consistency, and how well it blends with the rest of the image. If other parts of your image still look blurry, simply repeat the same process. Make a new selection around another low-quality area. Click Generative Fill, keep or adjust the prompt if needed, and generate again. Working in smaller sections often gives you better and more controlled results than trying to enhance everything in one go. The final result should be a significantly sharper image with improved textures, clearer details, and a more professional, high-resolution appearance. While this doesn't magically increase true camera resolution, it intelligently reconstructs detail using AI, making your photo look dramatically better. And that's how you make low-quality pictures high-quality in Photoshop using generative fill and partner AI models. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more powerful Photoshop and AI editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.